Robin and welcome back to my channel. My Instagram is Mother Pixels. I apologize for the audio, but my mic is not working and it's kind of windy, so I'm just gonna talk really loud and I'm naturally good at that, okay? So today I'm going to give you 5 awesome tips that you need to follow if you want to get really great road shots, okay? So tip number 1. Make sure that your road shot is actually leading to something interesting. So whether it's a cityscape, that it has the city, or in this case, we have that fantastic mountain over there. And so that is leading to something that is interesting. A road shot just for the sake of itself is not interesting. Second tip, when you are shooting, make sure that the yellow line is really centered. And try doing eye level shots as well as ground shots. So, see, this is from a very low level, which gives you a very different perspective than if you were to go at an eye level. And see, always make sure that it's not here, it's not there. That yellow line has to be dead center. Tip number 3, try using a subject for scale. So whether you wait for a car to drive by, or you ask your friend, or maybe you just get so lucky and you see wildlife, which happened to me with a coyote. Tip number 4, and this one is not sexy, but make sure that when you do pull over for a road shot, that you pull over, that you have your hazards on, and that you are not pulling over by a curve, because if you're out in the road, a car could hit you because they will not see you. So make sure that you are at a place where a car over there is able to see me and a car over there is able to see me. And have somebody, a friend, with you, because you can get so distracted. Have a friend tell you that a car is coming. Be on the lookout, because you can get so distracted taking your amazing shot that you will not realize that a car is coming right behind you. And the 5th and final tip, to keep things interesting, explore with light trails. So wait for the sun to go down, and then you can simply set up your camera on a tripod and do a long exposure. So if a car is coming by, just do a 5-10 second long exposure, however long you need, to get those awesome light trails. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you're following me on Instagram to